was browsing Amazon few days ago and I saw UGEE throwing tablet with high ratings, so I get curious. After that day, UGEE company reached out to me and they want to send their tablet for unboxing review. And I said yes, yes, yes. And while customizing my sketchbook, one package arrived. Wow. So, let's unbox it. This is UGEE M708 drawing tablet, one of the best and affordable drawing tablet in the market. This tablet costs $50 and it comes with the battery-free pen and other accessories. Oh, this is gonna be satisfying. UGEE company is known for their reliable drawing tablet, so let's try this bad boy drawing tablet for the first time. This gloves is epic. Now that I'm ready, let's start sketching. I'm going to use this Medibang Paint Pro to draw my character.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
By the way, I'm going to share my unbiased thoughts about this tablet later in this video. So, make sure to watch until the end, brothers and sisters. Sketch is done. Now, let's start coloring. But before that, DJ Joanne, play some epic music, please. I'm really having fun working with this character.
Now you come around, you knock on my door. I don't even know what you're looking for. Asking me, baby, oh, please think twice. Come on, everybody, let's just roll that dice, my darling.
I really like how the character's turning out, so let's keep working on it. Yeehaw!
You just ain't getting through.
You left me stranded.
By the way, I decided to change the shoes because I want it to be more realistic as possible.
It's alone in our bedroom. You said one thing and did another, didn't you? Know this, I refuse to be blue. Don't try, don't.
Oh, I really like how the shoes turning out.
You know it's true. The shame is on you. I'm your man. Stand up for me.
I'm a bit hungry right now, so let's eat some delicious watermelon. Wow. Oh, so refreshing. Now let's go back coloring this bad boy character.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me.
I decided to add amplifier because electric guitar will not work without it. Skirsh!
But nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Character is almost done, but before the reveal, it's time for the marker review show. First thing that I like with this tablet is the price. It's affordable and good for beginner and professional artists. Second is the design. It looks amazing and you have lots of space to work on. Third thing that I like are the accessories. I really like that it comes with the gloves and the unique pen holder. Overall are smooth and perfect, so I really recommend you to try UGEE tablet. So now, enjoy the final review, brothers and sisters.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt.